Chapter 1. Database Management System. Central idea. What is a data and database? Features of database. Data type. Advantages of MySQL. Statements. Show database. Use. Show tables. Create table. Describe. Insert into. Select and delete. DBMS, RDMS, Relational Database, Categories of MySQL statements, Primary key, Need of DBMS, Types of DBMS, MySQL. Database. Database is an organized collection of data. Since database is an organized form of data, it makes data management easy. Database supports storage and manipulation of data. Today's relational database is used to access, update, and search information based on the relationship of data stored in different tables. Relational database can also run queries that involve multiple databases. What is Database Management System? Database Management System (DBMS) is a collection of programs which helps user to access database, manipulate data, and help in representation of data. Let's discuss few examples. An online telephone directory would definitely use database to store data like phone numbers, name, address, and other contact details. Your electricity service provider is obviously using a database to manage billing of related person or client related issues, etc. Let's consider Facebook. Your Facebook accounts need to store your name and account related information, manipulate and present the data related to members, their friends, member activities, messages, advertisements, and lot more. What is the need of DBMS? Database systems are basically developed for storage and retrieval of large amount of data. Features of data in a database. No redundant data. Reduce duplicate records to be stored. Data consistency and integrity. Secure. Each user has a different set of access. Privacy. Limited access. Easy access of data. Easy recovery. Flexible. Types of DBMS. There are 4 types of DBMS. 1. Hierarchical. 2. Network DBMS. 3. Relational DBMS. 4. Object-oriented relation DBMS. What is SQL? Structured Query Language SQL, pronounced as SQL or sometimes SQL, is the standard user and application program interface for a relational database. SQL programming can be effectively used to insert, search, update, and delete database records. Relational databases like MySQL database, Oracle, MS SQL Server, Sybase, etc. uses SQL. History of MySQL. MySQL is very popular relational database software. MySQL was created and supported by MySQL AB, a company based in Swedish company. 3 engineers, 2 Swedish, named David Exmark and Alan Larson, and 1 Finn named Michael Widenius, commonly known as Monty, started work on development of MySQL server on May 23, 1995. MySQL has been named after Monty Widenius's daughter Mai. MySQL AB was later on acquired by Sun Microsystems, which was in turn acquired by Oracle Corporation. Currently, MySQL Server is developed, updated, and maintained by Oracle Corporation. What is MySQL? MySQL is a relational database management system, RDBMS, that stores data in tables. It is based on a branch of algebraic set theory known as relational algebra. A relational database organizes data in tables or relations. A table is made up of rows and columns. MySQL allows for searching data using structured query language. There are a number of relational database management systems are available in the market. Examples of relational database are MySQL, Microsoft Access, Oracle, DB2, etc. Let's look at the advantages of MySQL. MySQL has high performance compared to other relation database systems. This is due to its simplicity in design and support for multiple storage engines. It is open source relational database management system. Open source means it is freely available on internet. MySQL works on many platforms, which means it can be run on most machines such as Windows, Linux, Mac OS, etc. In order to interact with MySQL, you will need a server access tool that can communicate with MySQL server. MySQL support multiple user connections. Categories of MySQL statements. Main categories of MySQL statements are 1. Data Definition Language DDL. Data definition statements are used to define the database structure or table. Some DDL statements are 2. Data Manipulation Language DML. Data manipulation statements are used for storing, retrieving, modifying, and deleting data. Data types. Data types define the nature of the data that can be stored in a particular column of a table. MySQL has three main categories of data types. 1. Numeric. 2. Text. 3. Data time. Numeric data types. Numeric data types are used to store numeric values. Different numeric data types are int x. Integer can be signed or unsigned. Its range is from 2147483648 to 2147483647 normal, 024294967295 for unsigned integer. Float. Size D. A small number with a floating decimal point. The maximum number of digits may be specified in the size parameter. The maximum number of digits to the right of the decimal point is specified in the D parameter. Double. Size D. a large number with a floating decimal point. The maximum number of digits may be specified in the size parameter. The maximum number of digits to the right of the decimal point is specified in the D parameter. Decimal size D. A double stored as a string allowing for a fixed decimal point. The maximum number of digits may be specified in the size parameter. The maximum number of digits to the right of the decimal point is specified in the D parameter. Text data type. As data type category name implies, these are used to store text values. Different text data types are: char holds a fixed length string, can contain letters, numbers, and special characters. The fixed size is specified in parentheses. Can store up to 255 characters. Varchar holds a variable length string, can contain letters, numbers, and special characters. The maximum size is specified in parentheses. Can store up to 255 characters. Data time, data type. Date, a date, format, year, month, date. Time, a time, format, hour, minute, seconds.